Hi, I'm Shreed at Ecomist, and in this video, we're going to discuss SEO and how we can do that for your product images in just a few clicks and absolutely free. So, if you like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, you can ask that in the comment section. So, SEO is one of the main sources to drive traffic to our store, and it is organic as well. So, you wouldn't want to miss out on it. Okay. So, what this app does is it picks your product title and your product name and puts it in every product image's alt text. Our search engines read those alt text to see what that image has in it. Okay, so if you add a relative alt text, it will appear in the search engine, will drive traffic to your store, and will increase the chances of sales. So let's move on to the app. I am already logged in a Shopify store, so I will just go on to the apps and sales and settings. Let's open Shopify App Store. Search for Booster SEO. So this is the app that we have to use. Let's open it. Let's add app, install app. Okay, so we have installed the app. Now what we have to do is just click on this continue, set template. We already have product title and shop name. We can also add product type, product vendor, but in dropshipping products, we don't actually have those. So we're just going to avoid those. Let's continue. Then click sync images and tada, you are done. And according to them, you have saved $135 and 1 hour saved in manually updating these in Shopify, according to them, because we have low number of products in our store. If we had too many products, it would take way too long to do it manually, and you would have to choose words manually and a lot of hassle. So it is best to use this app and raise your SEO lines. Thanks. That's all in this video. So if you have any question, make sure to ask them and I will reply as soon as I can.